Look at that, a speed tail in action. In the wild. Hey, what's up, Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel. To my right of me is my right-hand man, my little brother, Sean, aka LJ, as we call him. We're on our way to McLaren of Philadelphia to a supercar show. Finally arrived to McLaren of Philadelphia. So right now I'm just getting my bag ready. As you can see, my camera equipment, setting it all up. So we're gonna get some nice cinematic shots. Hope you guys enjoy. In front of me we have not only one, but three of 250 McLaren Elvas. As you see in front of us right now, we have this one with a nice pink stripe, this black one with the green interior, and this black and red one over here, which is pretty epic. We're here at this car show because we want to be inspired, but not only just be inspired, we want to be able to not only continue to go to car shows, but one day bring our own supercars here eventually to car shows like this. Here today to inspire him. You know, I started with a little GoPro. Now, you know, I'm building my little business up and I'm trying to grow even more. But it's just pretty cool just to meet other people out here that are doing great things right now.